Hello everyone, here is a question based on mole concept. Combustion of glucose produces CO2 and water. The amount of oxygen required for the complete combustion of 900 gram of glucose is how much? Molar mass of glucose is given. Let us first write the balanced equation. Glucose undergoing combustion with oxygen, and that would give us CO2 and water. We have 6 carbon atoms on the reactant side, and therefore let us put 6 here. We have 12 hydrogen atoms, and therefore let us put 6 here as well. We have 18 oxygen atoms now. Therefore, if we put 6 here, then the equation will be balanced. 12 plus 6, 18. What this means is that when we have 1 mole of glucose, we require 6 mole of oxygen for the complete combustion, so that we would get 6 mole of CO2 and 6 mole of water. Here we don't have to calculate the limiting reagent, because here what we have been asked is, we have been asked to calculate the mass of a specific reactant, oxygen, that is reacting with a specific amount of another reactant, and therefore no need to calculate limiting reagent. We can directly use the stoichiometric moles, which we write it this way: number of moles of C6H12O6 divided by 1 is equal to number of moles of O2 divided by 6. This equation is sufficient to get the answer. No need to calculate the limiting reagent. And therefore, let us calculate the number of moles of glucose first, based on the weight given. So, number of moles of glucose is equal to mass divided by molar mass. Mass given here is 900 gram. Molar mass is 180 gram per mole, and therefore this will be 10 by 2, and that is equal to 5 moles. So, number of moles of glucose is 5 moles. So, this means number of moles of O2 equal to 5 times 6, and therefore number of moles of O2 equal to 30 moles. Therefore, mass of O2 is equal to 30 moles times molar mass of O2. Molar mass of O2 is 32 gram per mole, because we have 2 oxygen atom. So, 16 times 2, 32. So, 3 times 32 is 96, 10, and therefore mass of O2 required for the complete combustion of 900 gram of glucose is 960 gram. So, therefore option 3 is correct.